In this video, I'll be showing you how to do a bump offer. Well, the bump offer is actually an upsell that you can have straight onto your checkout. So unlike the one-click upsells and downsells where you have like an extra step after the actual checkout, you can do the whole thing on the same checkout that you have here. So how do you do that? You can just double click and you have here the bump offers. So by clicking on the edit, you can create your first bump offer. So click on add bump, and here you can, of course, the important part is to select what product it will be setting with this option. So let's just say the physical product, and let's actually select this physical product too. Here you can have a headline, so you can have yes, I want this product, for example. Some title of the lifetime deal, for example, description of the bump offer, whatever information you want to add, and you can have it active by default. So if you want to be checked by default as an upsell, you can just click on it and it will be active like this. But if not, you can just leave it as it is. If you want to show the product image or not of the bump offer as well. And we have two different types of design. If you want to show a badge, this is really cool as well. You can say something like limited offer, for example, with some kind of a, let's say, red color as well to be vibrant and nice. And that's it. We just created our first bump offer. If you wish, you can create more bump offers as well. So let's see it. Now, when you click away, you'll see that it added this. This is the bump offer. This is how it looks, and basically it is an option to add this extra product to the whole thing. Again, you can add some kind of a price on it so that people actually know what exactly how much it costs. So maybe here when we have our bump offer, yes, I want this product, and let's say it's I don't know, 49. I don't know what the price is, and just like that you can add it to the design. Yeah, let's see how it actually works. Let's preview our page, and now we have the option to just click on it. You can actually click on the whole thing, and that will add it to the order. And you can see it added this product to the order. It's 49, yeah, like we said, and it is added to the order, and it's people can buy it right away. Now, why this showed? Because it's a physical product, and it actually requires a shipping. Because you cannot obviously purchase a product that is physical without having a shipping information. That's why it shows the shipping. It is mandatory, and that's why it needs a shipping method. So make sure that when you have such products that are physical, that you have shipping method, and also keep in mind that it will have a shipping address asked when you sell in either form a physical product. So yeah, this is it. This is how simple it is. They can actually adjust how many of the product they'll be buying as well. So this is the upsell via a bump offer. Like I said, you can have multiple bump offers if you wish to upsell multiple things in such format. They can select as many as they want, meaning that it doesn't have to be just one of the bump offers. They can have multiple selected. And yeah, that's about it. These are the bump offers. Super powerful, super cool, and they can really increase your order value by having a super quick way to upsell people. I hope that you enjoyed, and talk to you in the next video.